Road to Korean skin talaga. Okay, so for our next step, this is another toner pero wala na siyang pads. So gagamit ka na ng sarili mong cotton pads. So again, glutathione and vitamin C brightening antioxidant toner. So we will try this out kahit nag-toner pads na tayo. It's fine. So for this box, meron na siyang English directions here. So this one, directions after washing your face, mag-toner na. This is the box and this is the bottle. Ooh, good. So this is the bottle. So it is how many ml? 200 ml toner for this one. And yung itsura niya, if you can see, parang siyang jelly. Parang siyang jelly sa loob. So, ayun, I'm excited. I think hindi to advisable dahil 2 times ako nag-toner. But because for the sake of trying out a new product. So here's my cotton pad. Parang gel yung texture niya. Medyo may scent, but very light. Very mild din siya na toner, hindi siya mahapdi sa balat. Again, I can see na parang nag-brighten din siya agad. Parang may glow na rin agad, oh. Actually, ang ganda. I love it. Okay, perfect. Meron pa tayong 2 more products to try.